What is the number one way to ensure you hit your business targets like revenue and profitability? It's accountability. Accountability is how your employees feel responsible for their own performance that results in you hitting your desired business target. At ZoneReporting, we practice what we preach. And within our leading clients, we use KPI scorecards to show each employee how they are progressing against their individual targets. Additionally, these employees are typically compensated, i.e. a bonus, based on achievement of these targets. So in turn, these employees feel empowered and responsible, aka accountable, for meeting their targets. As these employees meet or exceed their targets, boom, the business meets or exceeds their own targets. Here's an example of a prebuilt scorecard that our NetSuite clients utilize. You'll see we've pulled data primarily from NetSuite, our pre-built Power BI reporting solution, to showcase this scorecard that drives accountability for the CFO's key areas of responsibility, tracking key financial, operational, and HR KPIs. So do you want to drive accountability and have your best year yet? Visit our website and request a demo to learn more.